Come and make cup noodles with us here in Japan. From our hotel in Tokyo, nag-train kami for about 25 minutes to Sakuragichu Station in Yokohama. First meal namin of the day is always from the convenience store kasi kahit saan meron and the food is good. First time kong itatry tong omelette rice onigiri, masarap pala siya. After naming kumain, nag-start na kaming maglakad papunta sa museum. This is Yokohama City. First time ko ding pumunta dito. Kahit na city siya, parang ang peaceful at malinis yung lugar. After about 20 minutes walk from the station, we arrived at the Cup Noodles Museum. Entrance is free for children up to high school and 500 yen naman for adults, which is about 190 pesos. The entrance fee doesn't include payment for activities, so if you want to design and make your own cup noodles, payment is 500 yen per cup and dito siya binibili sa vending machine. Start na tayo mag-design ng cup natin. Each table ay may mga ready-to-use na markers. Ito lang daw ang pwedeng gamitin na markers for the cup. Focus na focus ang kuya namin sa pag-design ng cup niya. One Piece yung dinodrawing niya, which is his current favorite anime. And ito naman yung aking masterpiece. Proud yan. After designing our cups, pumila na kami sa next step, which is paglagay ng noodles. Next step, pipili na ng flavor and toppings. You can choose up to 4 toppings. And ito na yung noodles namin. Buti na lang mabait si ate. Siya pa mismo yung nagsabi na picturean ko daw. And then, isisil na yung cup noodles. Next step, I think, is optional. Para safe i-travel yung cup noodles, you can inflate this bag and carry with you. And here is Kuya Seth looking so happy. Happy? We then went to the Instant Noodles History Cube. Andito nakadisplay lahat ng variations ng Nissin Cup Noodles mula year 1958. For me, napaka-cool ng area na to. Nakaka-amaze lang. Kasi nag-start lang siya sa simpleng instant noodles and then nagkaroon ng maraming variations dahil sa innovative mind ng inventor na si Momofuku Ando. May mga fun interactive displays din dito sa museum na na-enjoy namin. Itong area na to, pumasok si Daddy and si Seth and look, parang trick eye siya. Mukhang mas matangkad pa si Seth kaysa kay Daddy. Itong exhibit about nurturing ideas, ang cool kasi maliit na ilaw lang ang ginamit at maliliit na puno pero tignan naman natin ang presentation. Ang ganda. Dito sa museum na to, pinapakita nila kung paano ang isang simple idea can turn into a big bright idea na over time ay magbe-benefit ang maraming tao, which is how the instant noodles idea started. Itong maliit na shed na to, dito daw nabuo ang idea at na-invent ang unang instant noodles. If you're hungry, meron ditong Noodles Bazaar where you can try various noodles from different countries like pho from Vietnam, laksa from Singapore, and syempre ramen from Japan. And meron pang ibang noodles. Ang cute din ng ambience, di ba? On the same floor is a play area for kids where they can experience how to be in a cup noodles factory. May fee ito na 500 yen and they can only play for I think about 20 minutes. After playing, it's time to go back to our hotel. On the way back, nag-cable car na kami instead of walking to the train station. It was a short day but overall definitely a fun experience not just for kids but also for adults. Can't wait to make more family memories!